Yeah. Nice, Dad. Good job on that one.
A few shots.
Yeah, you got him though. Very good.
Still alive.
Wow. Straight out front. Well, my dad shot one duck this morning. We set up on a railroad track, and I set up my dad's phone on the tripod right on the edge of the track, and a train came by right away this morning and smacked it right off the track. We had to find all the pieces of the tripod and find his phone. I'll show you guys the phone later. It just got cracked on the screen and pop socket flew off, but kind of wild beginning here. Just me and my dad out hunting here this morning. We'll see what happens. Nice gadwall just over the railroad tracks. She landed over there, so I went over there and got that. I'm gonna go see what bird my dad shot. Go across and get that. Well, looks like my dad got a widgeon. Well, this is the aftermath of the phone getting hit by a train. Not bad, just a little screen biff up, but it still works. I got the video of it on his phone too. It's crazy. There it is.
Was the screen cracked before?
No, it is. Where? What's the screen? Well, let's see what we got here. There's my gadwall. Right there. And then your little widgeon. Not bad, 2 little duckies. We'll do some scouting and we'll get on something good. That'll work out eventually. Well, Dad's got to head off to work here. We didn't get to hunt very long. Well, we ended up with 2 birds this morning. Gadwall, widgeon. Honestly, typical when you don't scout. So my dad, he had to work all day yesterday. I just got to town late. It was dark. I didn't have time to scout. He didn't have time to scout. So when you go hunt public water without scouting, you never know what you're gonna get. We got 2 ducks, which was fun. Not much shooting, not much content, but I still can't believe my dad's phone got hit by a train this morning. I've hunted this spot before. I'll show a little clip of that. Sitting on the railroad tracks in the past, the train always comes by during the hunt at some point in the morning. And I didn't even think about setting the phone up right next to the train tracks. I don't think it was on the train tracks, it was right next to it in the side, but I'm sure it got smacked by the train. The tripod blew into pieces. I gotta try to put that back together. But yeah, the phone went flying and we ended up with 2 ducks, so kind of okay. I mean, it was a fun little hunt for Dad and I. We'll get out, do some scouting this evening, and we'll get on some good hunts throughout this weekend. It's gonna be fun. Got my birthday coming up too, so that'll be sweet.